Yeah, so still in the course, we're going to be talking about how to install Power BI. In case you don't have Power BI installed, let's get into it and head over to your favorite browser. Power BI is probably compatible for like a lot of device, mostly compatible. So all you just have to do is just go into your favorite browser and type in install Power BI desktop. So whatever device you're going to use, so you just click on this and you click on, it's just going to come, it's going to find like your device compatibility and click on download. So that's that about that. So I do have Power BI installed already, or we're just going to see what it says. So it's loading and all that. So just going to pause the video for it. So I guess it's loading already. So first few things is you click on this, just click on next. So that's what's gonna happen. So click on next. So yes, like very simple. Click on next. Yeah, like it's pretty straightforward to like install. In case you have like any troubles installing, you could let me know. So it's literally very simple and straightforward. So that's basically how to install Power BI. So in case you have trouble installing, you could either restart your device, and that thing you could do is you could try to maybe uninstall some devices on your laptop, and you could check like your laptop model and put it up on Google if this laptop is compatible with Power BI. But for the most part, it's compatible. Most devices are compatible with Power BI. There's some apps that are not compatible with Power BI, but um, uh, Power BI is compatible with a lot of that. However, Power BI is not compatible with Mac. Sorry about that. If you're using a Mac, you can't use Power BI desktop. You have to use Power BI on the web. And that's like where I don't know why there's still like the beef between Mac and Microsoft, but whatever it is. So try to get like a Windows laptop, or you just run this on the web. The experience may be a little bit different. It might be a little bit annoying doing some things, but you still probably get the same functionality. So this will work for almost any Windows laptop. Another thing also people do is they probably like either partition your laptop on Mac. So you could check out videos on how, in case you want to partition your laptop for that, but that's entirely up to you, and just know in whatever decision you want to make. See you in the next video. We would talk about how to like navigate Power BI desktop interface now that you have it installed. See you in the next video. Ciao.